Hello viewers, welcome to English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on blood donation. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, blood donation is a gift of life. Second line is, it provides a lifetime for patients in need of blood. Is, it is act of kindness and compassion. Fourth line is, it reflects the spirit of humanity and solidarity. Fifth line is, every 2 seconds someone in the world needs blood. Sixth line is, one blood donation can potentially save up to 3 lives. Seventh line is, blood donors make a long-lasting impact on the lives of others. Eighth line is, they offer hope, support, and a second chance at life. Ninth line is, by donating blood, we become part of a larger network of lifesavers. Last line is, donating blood is a simple and effective way to contribute to the community.